Hello everyone, welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. I am Sunita Rawat, Faculty of Computer Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am going to explain the topic Cloud Computing for Grade 11 NCERT book Informatics Practices. Through this video, students will be able to learn what is the concept behind cloud computing and what are the various advantages it can provide in today's fast-paced modern digital world. They will also get to know different categories of cloud computing so that they can realize how cloud computing can easily help organizations to build their future digital infrastructure. Let us begin with today's explanation. Cloud computing is an emerging trend in the fields of information technology where computer-based services are delivered over the internet or the cloud. For the case of their accessibility from anywhere using any smart device, the services comprise software, hardware, servers, databases, storages, etc. These resources are provided by companies called cloud service providers and usually charge on pay-per-use basis. Cloud services. There are three standard models to categorize different cloud computing services delivered through cloud. These are Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, is a form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. In an IaaS model, a cloud provider hosts the infrastructure component traditionally present in an on-premises data center, including servers, storage, and networking hardware, as well as the virtualization. The IaaS providers also supplies a range of services to accompany those infrastructure components. These can include detailed billing, monitoring, log access, security, etc. IaaS customers access resources and services through a wide area network such as the internet and can use the cloud provider services to install the remaining elements of an application stack. Platform as a Service is a cloud computing model in which a third-party provider delivers hardware and software. PaaS refers to a cloud computing model. Through this service, a user can install and execute an application without worrying about the underlying infrastructure and their setup. That is, PaaS provides a platform or environment to develop, test, and deliver software applications. Examples of PaaS are MySQL and Python. Software as a Service, SaaS, is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts application. SaaS provides on-demand access to application software, usually requiring a licensing or subscription by the user. While using Google Docs, Microsoft Office 365, Dropbox, etc. To edit a document online, we use SaaS from cloud. A user is not concerned about installation or configuration of the software application as long as the required software is accessible. I hope you must have understood the topic. If you find my video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.